How to make authentic Jamaican cargo. Use 2 lime, a quarter cup of vinegar to wash your meat. Large onion, green onion, thyme, garlic, ginger, Scotch pepper, black pepper, all-purpose, allspice powder, cloves powder, potatoes. Curry powder. My carrots. Mixing all ingredients well. Marinate for 24 hours. Burn 2 tablespoons of curry. And here's the finished product. Authentic Jamaican cargo. We will really appreciate your support and growing this channel, so please like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. One love. Bless. See you in the next one. Look good now.